today is a glorious day. Today is a glorious day, and it is the day that I'm unboxing this. Yep. I probably would not have bought it because when I'm just doing like YouTube videos, if my one computer takes X amount of time to do it, do I care that much? Well, I do, but it's not that big a deal. I'll go sit and play Xbox or watch something on TV or watch YouTube videos. It's not a big deal. I can tide myself over, or like make lunch or something. But now that I'm doing some contract work, and my day's split up kind of in half of it for them and half of it for me, I can't necessarily have my one computer working on their stuff, and now I have to sit and wait for a couple hours while it's processing something. So I was like, I need to have a computer for them, and I need to have a computer for me. So this is the computer I got for me, while my MacBook Pro will be working on their stuff. So today's video, honestly, nice and simple. It's just an unboxing. You get to see what I got, and we'll just get right into it. So I got the base. Why? Well, because it was in stock. I'm definitely considering, and it's hard because you watch certain videos and they're like, you don't really need to go to it, and then the other videos like, maybe you do want to go to it, and there's a small difference. So in Canadian dollars, you're looking at $2,500 for this, before taxes and all that. For an extra $250, you can go from 24 core GPUs, to 32. So that's not a bad update, I would think, for anything or for anybody that's utilizing a lot of GPU, which I believe my processing, the stuff that I do, is very GPU intensive. So for $250, when you're spending that much, maybe it's not bad to get an additional, 8 cores, right? And then the other one, which again, I was just looking at, what can you get for little bits of money that may make the experience better? And the other one for me, I was like, maybe just going from that 512 gig hard drive. Now I run 90% of the stuff that I do off of external solid states, but for an extra $250 again Canadian, I can go from 512 gigs of internal storage to a terabyte. And I was like, well, that might be useful. So I think what I'm going to do is, I do have a 2-week return on this, so I'm going to try it for the next 2 weeks. I am definitely going to do a video for you guys just to be like, this is what I got for specs / results on this one versus my M1. And I may even put it up against my Intel iMac, my 27-inch iMac. Then I have some numbers and times, and then what I may do is order the actual one that I was really considering. And then I can benchmark that one and see if there's any real noticeable difference for that extra, $500. And if there is, I can keep it. And if there isn't, then I can just return that one and rebuy this one again, right? So those are things that I was thinking about. Now, the other thing is, I bought this in Ottawa when I was there, and I brought it home on the plane, which is great, but they made me open it. I'm like, but it's factory sealed. Like, you're gonna make me open it? They're like, yep. I'm like, why? Because you can't see through a cardboard box? And they were just like, I don't know. I'm like, thanks for your awesome answer. So I literally just take it out, and they're like, yeah, you're good. I'm like, thanks. Other than that, walking through the airport with one of these, you get a lot of people staring at you, which is something. And those that came up and talked to me, which is funny, I guess they were seeing this side. They're like, oh, Apple has a new Bluetooth speaker. And I'm like, no. If it is, I spent way too much money on a Bluetooth speaker. And you can see, factory seal, not factory sealed anymore. Nope. It's airport tape. That's what that is, airport tape. So that was excellent. So basically, ready? This opens somehow. I'm guessing it opens kind of this way, I think. So now I'm not even 100% sure how it opens because, yeah, I think this is how it opens, yeah. I'm trying not to hit the camera. Ready? You guys, there it is in all its glory. That camera's way too tight. So I'm gonna bring this out. I think what happens is this whole thing kind of, I don't know. Yeah, this folds out. There we go. See, the experience was there. This is coming out. Okay. That's nice. You do get a little, just on this side, so you can see it, you get a little thing here, a little box, a little welcome, right? Designed by Apple in California, there you go. Cool. I'm sure that's got like, maybe it has a sticker. I don't know. And then I think the only other thing, actually, the only other thing in there is this power cable. Right? That's kind of it. Now, the bonus, 100% the bonus, put this over here. 100% the bonus is, so dirty, is that that's a great carry bit. Like, I know now, if I ever had to carry this somewhere, I just use that, right? That box, perfect. And I'm hoping, there we go. Oh, it's glorious. Look, I've already got a smudge on it. It's been a while since I've had like just a standalone Apple product like this, because I usually just get like iMacs and things like that, right? So the nice thing, a couple big things, front ports, right? So USB-Cs, SD card reader, which is super awesome, and I know for all the PC users, and I say this, you know, I'm like, for all you PC users, I know that you have an SD card reader, but on my Huawei that I have, no SD card reader. I was like, oh, I would have liked to seen that, but they went the way of the Apple, I guess. And 4 Thunderbolt ports, which is awesome. Ethernet, I don't know if this is just 10 gigabit. I think gigabit. I get those. You know, I get those wrong. Power, full-size USB A's, HDMI, headphone jack. There's your power indicator. You got some, I'm guessing, some nice ventilation. Where am I? Ventilation on the back here, which is really pretty. And that's kind of it. That's kind of it, right? Gotta turn it the right way. There we go. That's kind of it. It is glorious. It is glorious. This video is not very long, right? Because I just wanted to show you guys my new toy. Now this week, probably, I don't know when the video will come up for you, but this week I am going to start editing my own videos, including probably this one right here with this machine. I just have to get a mouse and a keyboard. I have to find one somewhere. I'm sure I have one somewhere. Oh, I have one right there. And then I can tell you guys what I think of it in a follow-up video. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and that's it for today. I got some playing to do. Oh yes. All right, my friends. I'll put links down below to where you can pick one of these up. I don't know if you can get one of these like on Amazon. Maybe you can. I don't know. If not, head on over to the Apple Store, I guess. All right, guys. That's it. I'm out. I'm gonna go play. Later.